Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send DM to anyone on our Discord without even being their friend. So go to your Discord account, and here first of all go to your settings, then go on privacy and safety option, and here you will see this option of allow direct messages from server members. Enable this option, and also you can select this option of do not scan, and using this your direct messages will not be scanned for explicit content. So after enabling it, escape, and then go to the server of your choice, and then choose whoever you want to. Just right click them and click on message. See, he is not my friend. In case you are thinking that I'm trying to message a friend, here's the option of add friend. So you can just type in your message and click send. And that's how you send messages on Discord even without being someone's friend. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.